Good morning from Hamburg. Today is March 22nd and welcome to my second Corona update here from Hamburg. It's a beautiful day today. We went out to Hamburg's biggest park to do some exercises because even in these times it's really important to keep yourself healthy. Yeah, it's not too crowded, that's good. I'm really happy to give you some more updates here from Hamburg, and today's video is a little bit special because I got some videos from my friends all over the world, so I will later show you some footage of China, India and also the USA about their situation with the coronavirus. Everyone seems to be quite aware of the current situation, so keeping distance is always important, guys. Let's go for a run. Okay, bis gleich, ja? Stay safe. So far so good. Keeping the distance is easy. Not too many people around. Quite okay. We are back home and now it's time to give you guys some more details about our current situation here in Hamburg. As you might know, we are talking about almost 23,000 infections, reported infections with the coronavirus here in Germany, and things are really getting complicated. But as you could see while we were out and driving through the streets, there were not too many people out, so most of them stayed at home. Only some people were there walking their dog or going for a run out in the park, so this is really good. People keeping the distance will help to provide us all from further steps. So today our German government will also discuss about a possible full lockdown, which we do not have yet in Germany, even though we have already some strict regulations. Schools, kindergartens, universities, playgrounds, almost every institution like museums are already closed. Also the restaurants needed to close and could only offer takeaway food or delivery service. So yeah, the social life in Germany is really far down, so there are not many social contacts and most people stay at home. I would like to share two situations with you guys that happened yesterday and would like to point out how we make the best out of this situation. As many of you might know, we love to have people around us. We love to invite people for dinner, sitting together, chatting together and enjoying the time together. So this is not possible at the moment. So what we did is we cooked some food and shared it with our neighbor over the balcony. So he sat in his apartment, we sat in our apartment. We exchanged some pictures during the dinner, and this is how we keep things up here in Germany, in Hamburg, in our apartment house. And the other situation happened at 9 p.m. yesterday evening and also the day before. So at 9 p.m. in Hamburg and I guess in also other European and German cities, people open their windows, people step out of the balconies, giving applause to those people working in the medical field and taking care of all of us, saving lives and helping people that have to suffer from this virus. So my biggest thanks to these people, nurses, doctors and everyone else. So thank you very much for helping us out in this difficult situation. And not only in Germany, also around the world, there were happening things due to the coronavirus, and I would like to share some of these situations with you because some of my friends from China, from India and also from the US shared their videos and their pictures with me to share it with you guys. So let's start in China, where our friend Jan lives in Chengdu, and things are getting better in Chengdu already, so people are going out again, they are going to the parks and spending their afternoons in these parks. All of them are still a little bit protective, they are wearing face masks and keeping distance, but anyhow they step out and enjoy the springtime. This is really good to see, and this is makes me a little bit optimistic that in Germany and also in Europe things will get better soon. The other situation happened in India today. So as you might know, about 1 billion people in India were requested to stay at home for 14 consecutive hours. And my friend Kanai from Calcutta shared some impressions with me. He took some pictures, and some pictures his friends took. So people really stayed at home. It was really quiet in the streets, also in the metro stations. People were disappeared and stayed at home. This is really, really good. That makes me happy that people also take it serious in India. And the last video I would like to share with you is from my friend Mustafa and his family in Virginia in the USA, a small suburb of Washington DC. So he sent me a video, and I would like to share this video with you unedited. Just enjoy the footage Mustafa sent me.
We are going for a walk. Today is March 21st, 2020. It's a beautiful day. A little chilly from yesterday, right?
Yep.
But it's 50 degrees. It's a little chilly, windy. The sun is out. Well, it's partly cloudy. And let me show you this tree. I think people are getting bored in their houses and they're just, you know, want to get out. We're gonna take probably a 3 or a 4 mile walk. Definitely gonna keep our distance from other people. So I think this is our 8 feet.
6 feet?
Yeah, 6 feet, 8 feet, yeah. True. We're gonna attacked by a zombie! Run! Run! Alright, Nadia is feeling a little hot.
I'm really thankful that you guys watched this video until the end, and I would be even happier if you guys share your situation, your current situation with me. So just send me a personal message or a comment down on this video so we can get in contact, and probably you can send me also some of your videos, how you spend your days in wherever you are around the world. This is my biggest goal, to give you guys also some good moments, share some good moments, and give some hope to all the people around the world. This would make me even happier if you could share your situation with me. Thanks a lot for watching, and I will post some more updates during the next days. Stay healthy, guys, and protect yourself.